Hey everyone, and welcome back at dailycryptotalk.com for our, daily deep dive into the crypto market. Today is Friday, November 29th, 2024. And we're going to, break down some of the latest trends. We want to, make sure you have everything you need to make smart trading decisions. So if you find this analysis, helpful, be sure to hit that notification bell down in the lower right corner. That way you never miss an episode.
Yeah, we've got some pretty fascinating developments, really things to unpack today. We're seeing everything from whale activity on Solana to a Bitcoin wallet from 2013 suddenly waking up. And then there's, these whispers about potential Binance coin burns. So a lot to dig into.
Definitely, yeah. Before we get into those juicy details, let's, set the stage with a quick market overview. Kind of what's the lay of the land today?
Sure. So taking a look at Binance, Bitcoin is currently at $96,372.02. That's a slight increase. Ethereum, on the other hand, is down a bit at $3,564.86. But, as always, I think it's the individual altcoin movements that really paint the full picture.
Yeah, you've got that right. And one that's caught our eye is Solana. It's been on a tear lately, 34% in the last 30 days. It even hit an all-time high on November 23rd, surpassing BNB for a time.
And this is where things get, interesting. We've noticed some significant whale activity on Solana, and that always, piques our interest. There was an article on Binance Square titled "Solana Whales Are Still Accumulating Wells," and it highlights this intriguing behavior.
Okay, break this down for us. What are these whales up to? Should we be following their lead?
Well, we're seeing, two wallets, potentially owned by the same person or entity, aggressively accumulating SOL. They've pulled 250,000 SOL, worth about $60 million from Kraken in just the last month. So that's a powerful signal.
Yeah.
At the same time, the platform Pump.Fund has been dumping large amounts of SOL back onto Kraken. And recently, they moved 65,000 SOL, over $15 million worth.
Well, that's quite a tug of war. What do you make of these contrasting moves? Are these whales manipulating the market, or do they know something we don't?
Yeah, it's hard to say for sure, One possibility is that these whales are trying to accumulate a large position before a major price move. They might have access to information that the public doesn't, such as upcoming partnerships or developments that could drive Solana's price higher.
So should our listeners be buying Solana?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, there are other factors to consider. OG Sun had an interesting take on Binance Square. They argue that a rapid Bitcoin price surge to $100,000 could actually be detrimental to altcoins. Historically, this has triggered market corrections and instability.
That makes sense. It's like a ripple effect.
Yeah.
So even if we see these whales loading up on Solana, we need to be cautious about the broader market trends.
Exactly. It's crucial to understand the typical bull run cycle. Money usually flows from Bitcoin to high-cap altcoins, then mid-caps, and finally to low-cap projects. If Bitcoin skyrockets too quickly, it can disrupt this flow and lead to a sharp correction that hits altcoins particularly hard. Remember what happened recently with Solana? Even though it was up overall, it still took an 8% hit when Bitcoin dipped slightly.
Okay, so we're seeing mixed signals here. On the one hand, you have whales accumulating Solana, suggesting potential for growth. But on the other hand, we need to be wary of Bitcoin's influence and the possibility of a market correction.
Precisely.
So what does this mean for your Solana strategy?
Well, we think it's wise to be cautious for now. The whale activity is definitely intriguing, but the overall market conditions warrant a more conservative approach. Perhaps a hold rating is appropriate for Solana at this time. If you're already holding SOL, it might be prudent to take some profits off the table. But don't completely abandon the ship just yet, Keep an eye on both Solana and Bitcoin's price action.
So we're advising caution on Solana. But what about the broader altcoin market? Where do you see the biggest opportunities and potential risks right now?
That's what we'll explore in the next segment. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. We'll be right back after a short word from our sponsors.
Tired of missing market opportunities? Switch to TrendSpider, the smart charting platform that simplifies your trading decisions. With automated analysis, custom alerts, and powerful tools, you'll always stay one step ahead. Ready to upgrade your trading? Click the link on this page to start your free trial with TrendSpider now.
Hey, crypto trader. Intrigued by what you've heard so far? We're just scratching the surface. Head over to dailycryptotalk.com for the full episode and unlock exclusive insights, bonus content, real-time market tools, and so much more. All for free. Your edge in the market starts now. See you at dailycryptotalk.com.